Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this nice and simple Quatic equation. We're asked to solve the equation x raised to the power of 4 equal to x minus 1 raised to the power of 4. I'm going to apply two different ways to solve this problem. Let's start with the first one. The first one is by relating the left and the right hand sides. You can see they have equal exponent 4. So let us split it. Since the powers are even, we have the absolute value of x equal to the absolute value of x minus 1. And you know that absolute value of functions are piecewise. So we can split them as the left hand side remain positive x equal to the right hand side can also remain x minus 1. First condition. Second condition, the left hand side can remain x, but the right hand side can be negative, so all signs will change. Negative x plus 1. These are the first two conditions. We have other two. Let us solve these ones first. If you decide to bring x to the left hand side, you have x minus x equal to negative 1. X minus x is 0 equal to negative 1, which is not true. Therefore, we are going to discard this solution, right? Let's move to the other condition. If you bring this one to the left, it becomes positive. You have 2x. Because x plus x is 2x, this is equal to positive 1. Divide both sides by 2. X will be equal to 1 divided by 2. And you have to test whether this is true. If x is 1 divided by 2, we have the absolute value of 1 divided by 2 is still 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is negative 1 divided by 2. In an absolute form, it will give us positive 1 divided by 2. And hence, this statement is true. Let us take other two conditions. The left hand side can be negative x, and the right hand side remain positive x minus 1. Likewise, the left hand side can be negative and the right hand side be negative, right? Negative x plus 1. Let us solve each one separately. If you bring this one to the left, it becomes negative. Negative x is negative 2x equal to negative 1. Divide both sides by negative 2. X equal to 1 divided by 2. And we have already seen that 1 divided by 2 is a solution. Coming here, as this comes to the other side, it becomes positive. You have negative x plus x, which is 0, equal to 1, which is not true, right? Therefore, we are going to discard this solution. Therefore, the only solution to this problem is 1 divided by 2. But having a power of 4, we expect other solutions, right? That led us to the second method. Let me take it. We have x to the power of 4 equal to x minus 1 to the power of 4. Let us bring everything to one side. We have x to the power of 4, which is the same thing as x squared all to the power of 2, right? This is the same thing as x to the power of 4. The minus, we do the same thing here. We have x minus 1 squared, but all squared. This must be equal to 0 because we have taken that term to the left hand side. These are just difference of two squares that can be factorized as x squared minus x minus 1 all squared, then multiplied by x squared, then plus x minus 1 all squared. Then all of this equal to 0. This is another difference of two squares, which we can factorize as x minus 1, then multiply by x plus x minus 1. Then the other one cannot be factorized, so we have x squared, but we can expand this one. It will be x squared minus 2x plus 1 if you expand it. And this is equal to 0. Let us simplify these first two brackets. You can see this will be x minus x plus 1 if you distribute this negative sign, right? And the other one will be x plus x minus 1. And this remain x squared plus x squared is 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 the whole of this equal to 0. We're moving. X minus x is 0 plus 1 is 1 times this will not change it. So we have 2x minus 1 here, multiplied by 2x squared minus 2x plus 1. The whole of this equal to 0. Now that we have two factors, it implies that either 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let us solve the two equations separately. Let me start with the first one here. If you take negative 1 to the other side, we have 2x equal to 1. Divide both sides by 2. X will be equal to 1 divided by 2. And we have already seen this solution previously. But what about this one? We are going to apply general formula because it cannot be factorized. Our a is equal to 2, the leading coefficient. B is equal to negative 2. And c equal to 1. Therefore, x will be equal to minus b plus or minus into square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let us substitute our data. X is now equal to minus 2, which is plus 2, into negative 2 squared, that is b squared, minus 4. A is 2, c is 1. Divide by 2 multiplied by a, which is 2, right? X is now equal to 2 plus or minus into negative 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 2 times 1, which is 8, divide by 2 times 2, which is 4, right? X is now equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of what? Negative 4 divided by 4. Square root of negative 4 is 2i. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i divided by 4. Divide both sides by 2. I mean both the top and the bottom by 2. X finally will be equal to 1 plus or minus I divided by 2. And hence this is the second solution, which is a complex solution, right? So finally we can conclude that x could either be equal to 1 divided by 2 or x equal to 1 plus or minus I divided by 2. These are the solutions to that problem. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.